Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gidol Keys. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to set Makossa voice on PSR keyboard. I'm using the PSR E463. Same setting applies to other E series keyboard, PSR keyboard. You understand? So the voices I'm going to be using in softwire and anabras. Softwire will be the main voice and anabras will be on dual. So guys, before I start, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do well to like, subscribe and share. So first off, we are going to set our main voice, which is softwire. It's on 597. To do that, you click it here, 597. I didn't get it, 597. Yeah, this is our main voice, which is softwire. You understand? It's not yet set. So after putting it, then you increase the M volume. That is the main voice volume. You increase it to like, let's get it first, M volume. That is the main voice volume. It's on 55. We increase it to like 120. Yeah, 120 is okay. Then after setting the M volume, the next thing you're going to set is your dual. The dual voice you're going to be using is anabras. So to do it, you had to click on dual. You had to click on dual. The anabras is on 534. You click 534. Yeah, that's the dual voice you're going to be using. After putting it, you now increase the volume to something like 6.5. After that, you now activate it. To activate it, you click on this dual once. It's now activated. So we are done with our main voice and the dual. So after setting the main voice and the dual, the next thing you're going to set up is your split. If you don't have a bassist, see the bass you're going to be using, you had click on this split. You're going to be using solo sign. On this very keyboard is on 568. Yeah. Once you set it 568, you now put the split point where you want it to stop. Look for your split point. See how I get it. Use this arrow and look for your split point. It's on 60. 60 should be somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken. When I activate it, I'll check. It's on 60. 60 is okay. Then after that, you now put the octave to 0. This S octave, which is split octave, should be on 0. Then after doing that, you now click on this split once to activate it. So it stopped here, it's okay. After that, you now increase the volume, S volume. This is your split volume. Increase it to something like, let's put it to 110 and see. So it's okay like this. Another thing you're going to check out is for the dual octave. Your envelope is on the dual octave. Let's see if it's okay. The dual octave. Use this arrow to get anything you want to get once you press the function. The D octave is on 0. Yeah, 0 is okay. And M volume is also okay. Another thing you can set is your harmony. Understand? Let's use some kind of echo. Your harmony is on duet. Let's use echo. Let's use this. Once you set it, you now activate it as well. To activate it, just click on this harmony once. You can choose to use it, or then you can just reduce the volume of the harmony. Reduce the volume. You understand? You can reduce it so that it won't be much. So it's now set. You can also switch it off if you don't like the harmony. You understand? Whichever way you like it. So now I'm done setting. Let me pause this video and play something with it so that we see how it sounds generally. There you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this very video. To learn this, you can play this video over and over again so that you get perfect at it. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. God bless.